guys, 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 here. If you want to use cooler, stylish fonts, on social media or online, just download this app. Go to the Play Store, type in Fonts Keyboard, go ahead and install that app. Now, once it's installed, open it. Just wait for the app to load. Alright, click on this right here. It'll ask you to enable the font keyboard, so let's go ahead and do that. Click OK. Enable fonts. Click on this blue button right here. Click on that. Turn that on. Alright, and then what you're going to want to do is enable that right here. Alright, do that. And it might not give you the allow you to have that as default, so go ahead and change that to the special keyboard, and you're done. Let's go see how it works. Alright guys, here we go. As you can see, we have that special keyboard installed. Now, I'd be careful using this on YouTube or some other sites, because social media may identify your comment as spam. So we'll use this. And there we go. You can see it works. Now, if you guys don't want to use this special font keyboard, stylish font, whatever you want to call it, just go ahead to your settings, type in keyboard, go to your keyboard list on your phone or Android, and then click on this right here. Click on your default keyboard and just switch that to Samsung, and it's your normal keyboard again, or your regular Android. Alright, thank you for watching. It's been 𝒕����𝒊𝒔. Good morning.